Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Rehan Nabil. I'm from SAS A24 and here I will do practice of interpreting a discussion panel that talk about skills of the time with Com Doms as moderator and Professor Dr. Insinyur Bambang Pramujati, Magister of Science English, as the resource person or informant. And here is the interpretation.
Let's go to Surabaya and ask Bambang if he has a different top 3 skills or the same.
Thank you very much, Colm. But I guess the 3 skills that we must have, I think one similar to Pak Katiman says. For me, the first one would be adaptability and learning agility. We know that the world of work is changing very quickly. So what students learn today may be obsolete within next 5 years. So the skill is not what they know, but how fast they can learn, unlearn, or even relearn.
Pak Bambang menyebutkan bahwasannya keahlian yang pertama adalah adaptabilitas dan ketangkasan belajar, di mana perubahan yang masif terjadi di dunia kerja dan apa yang mungkin dipelajari saat ini bisa dilupakan dalam waktu 5 tahun. Dan kuncinya bukan apa yang diketahui, melainkan seberapa cepat seseorang bisa belajar, melepaskan ilmu ataupun belajar kembali.
And then second one would be the problem solving using technology and data. I know that not everyone needs to become an AI expert, but I'm sure that every graduate must be comfortable working with data and using technology up to date as a tool to solve a real world problem.
Yang kedua adalah pemecahan masalah dengan teknologi dan data, di mana kita tahu bahwasanya tidak semua orang harus menjadi pakar AI, tapi dengan penggunaan teknologi yang up to date itu bisa menjadi instrumen atau alat dalam menyelesaikan masalah di dunia nyata.
And being in a university, I think the third one would be the entrepreneurial mindset. So this is a moving beyond theory. So we try to downstreaming the innovative product from the research produced by our researchers. So that's a part of the entrepreneurial mindset, the practical innovation, etc., etc. So that's 3 things that graduate must have by 2030.
Dan yang skill ketiga adalah entrepreneur mindset atau pola pikir kewirausahaan, di mana ini berbeda, ini melampaui teori-teori, di mana kita bisa melakukan hilirisasi terhadap hasil riset dan inovasi agar menjadi produk yang bermanfaat secara praktis bagi masyarakat.
Thank you very much. Again, there's a lot that we're going to dive into with these answers. I'll make a brief comment on that. I like those 3 skills that you've highlighted. My own personal experience, I want to say something very nice and true about Indonesia, is that I see a huge amount of innovation and entrepreneurialism in Indonesia, especially compared to, for example, the UK or countries in the West. There's a lot of people in Indonesia who are using mobile technology or developing kind of a side business or a side hustle, sometimes people call this. But at the
Kemudian moderator juga menambahkan bahwasanya pengalaman pribadi terhadap orang-orang di Indonesia itu sangat menarik, di mana dia mengamati bahwa ada semangat kewirausahaan dan inovasi yang luar biasa tinggi di Indonesia, bahkan jika dibandingkan negara-negara seperti UK ataupun negara-negara barat, yaitu penggunaan teknologi seluler dan membangun bisnis sampingan.
So I see a great deal of entrepreneurialism, but that by itself is sometimes not enough. So they need other skills to make that work. And of course, we know that not necessarily everybody wants to be an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
But the thing I want to say that I think is really, I've been very impressed by, certainly in my years in Indonesia, is that there is a lot of innovation and entrepreneurialism happening already. But it's definitely another area that is growing.
Dan terakhir moderator menyimpulkan bahwasannya sebagai pengalaman pribadi sendiri di Indonesia melihat betapa besarnya kewirausahaan atau entrepreneurialism, walaupun ya tidak semua orang ingin menjadi pengusaha, tapi ini harus didukung dalam keterampilan teknis dan lainnya. Terima kasih. That's all about my practice about interpreting the panel discussion of skills of the time. Thank you.